Meaning of Eritrea.
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 Eritrea. Eritrea is a country located in the Horn of Africa, bordered by Sudan, Ethiopia, and Djibouti. The name Eritrea derives from the Latin word Erythrea, meaning red land, which refers to the country's red soil. Eritrea gained independence from Ethiopia in 1993 after decades of armed struggle. The country is rich in natural resources, including gold, copper, zinc, and potash, and has a diverse culture with 9 ethnic groups. Despite progress in some areas, Eritrea faces political, economic, and social challenges, including limited freedoms and human rights violations.